coming. Lots to do today before the rain comes in. It's supposed to rain today. But we've got to get all of the sticks, the elderberry sticks, into buckets. And with a little bit of dirt in them because they were struggling a bit. And we need to start some rototilling to get those rows prepped. We've got to get all that done before the rain. I've got some other things I want to get accomplished. Hold on, the ATV's coming by. So I need to also get... Where was I? I need to put the onions in one of the raised beds. I do need to get another set of potatoes in. I don't know that I'll be able to get that done today. So we'll see. Here we go. A little nervous because I was following all the directions and, you know, making sure to keep these things cold, and I just really hope they hold up for this. The problem we had here was it rained so much we couldn't get the ground prepped, and without being able to prep the ground, we can't get these in. They would have held up to cooler weather because these things are amazing. The ones that were potted from last fall are still surviving. But these ones, I just join me in praying over them because, Lord, this is a big deal. So we got to get another bucket for both of them, for both braid types. And we're going to top coat this with, not all the way up. You got to just... It's hard to explain. So just a little bit below here. Can you see that? We'll add some topsoil and some peat to let these grow because it's going to be another week or so before we get them into the ground. So I couldn't keep them in the cold cellar any longer. They weren't loving that. And so this is what we're trying. Here comes my entourage. Probably bringing me some dirt. What you got for me today? Yeah. Stop! Oh. Not gonna lie. Trying to hurry before the rain came in. And, I didn't put my gloves on. Oh well. But we forgot to put the holes in the bottom of the bucket. So we have all of these lovely sticks in their soil. 4 buckets full. There's another bucket over there. And now we've got to put holes in it so they can drain. Oh well, here we go. It's going to rain before we get anything else accomplished, I think. Oh! Have some more? Yeah. Some more juice? Thank you. Did it work? No? No? that's it for today. Let me show you what the clouds are looking like. Hold on a second. So now we're gonna wait on the rain. You can see it's wanting to come. We got some rototilling finished, not all of it, because Eric needed to run in a chore before the rain comes in. And so he got some of the rototilling done. We got the sticks in the buckets, got those watered, and we did get the onions in. Oh, look at that one above me. Yeah. So it wants to rain. So for now, I'm heading in and going to get some lettuce started, some lavender started, and I'm not sure what other things. I do need to get some tomatoes started. Oh, I probably won't do those till tomorrow because I'm already behind, way behind on the tomatoes. But yeah, that's it for now. Until then, be blessed, and we'll talk to you soon.